Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to add Tesco Club Card to Apple Wallet. Okay, so there are many methods, and the first is to use Tesco Grocery and Club Card app. Open the Tesco Grocery and Club Card app on your iPhone. Tap the Club Card tab at the bottom. Tap the big blue Club Card button, that is the QR scanner. On the next screen, you'll see your Club Card QR code. Beneath the code, tap Add to Apple Wallet. Now, here's something to note. If the button doesn't show up, update the app and make sure your Tesco Club Card is properly linked. Method 2 is to use Store Card app. Now, this is an alternative way. You can download the store card from the App Store, tap plus to add a card, search and select Tesco Club Card and scan the barcode or enter card number manually. Then tap on the card and choose Add to Apple Wallet. Now here's some tips if it's not working. Update the Tesco app to the latest version and check that your iPhone region is set to UK. Use an iPhone running iOS 6 or newer and ensure your Tesco Club Card is linked and active. Hope you found the video helpful.